Guys, I want to show you the progress at Ayamaro Villa from outside. That's the villa. You can see now the front side has been painted. The other day it was just still cement. So the gate, this is the main gate. We already have the gate now. They are doing the final touches on the gate. The party has started. Officially, the party has started. You can see they have a water tower on the far end over there. There's even a tank on the rooftop now. I understand now they are pumping water to the rooftop. We didn't have water in the house, so now after they pump water on the rooftop, we'll be able to get water in the house for the toilets to flush. There was somebody who was asking, people from Europe who don't know how to flush the toilet using buckets. So when you come, guys, I'm sure the toilet will be flushing. So this is the main gate, guy. They're just doing the final touches. If you can see the far end, the pillar there. They have some very beautiful tiling over there, very beautiful. I believe when it's done, it will look very marvelous. The guys are up there just trying to rush with the time to complete before the party gets to the climax. We have the security guards here, guys. So, as I told you before, the party has started. We have the reception here for the party. That's the registration desk. When you come here, you register there as a guest. The registration desk. Then we have the tents, the far end. Guys are just here. The compound is full of visitors. And this is the house, guys. I want to show you how the house looks from outside. As I told you before, we were doing some CCTV cabling up there. So we are trying to get the cables for CCTV. This is the balcony glass that were installed just the other day. You can see how it looks. That's the glass, the balcony glass, very clear, frameless, very beautiful. So guys, I'll take you in just to show you how the house looks like now. This is the compound.
From USA.
Yeah, tell people you have received a gift.
Look at guys, I received a gift from USA.
Imagine, what is that?
This is a
solar light.
How to do solar light?
From where?
From USA.
From USA.
With someone calling pastor.
Pastor.
In the name of Jesus, Amina. Imagine. These are the bulbs. This is the bulb. We have had the bulb.
Thank you very much, Pastor, for gifting Mayugno.
Spare bulb. Spare bulb? Spare bulb.
Spare bulb.
Spare bulb. Spare bulb.
In case this one breaks,
you can put here and you work in and your light.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Yes.
Thank you so much for supporting our brother.
Takuitu ni connectie kesho. Kutumia hiyo.
Sawa.
Yes.
Nenda ukaiweke ukimbie kule.
Yes. Sasa hivi tu. I went there because my mason need a tires already.
Where's the guest from?
Where for guests from USA?
USA direct.
It's not vegetable. I need to faint, but here in the dust.
Don't faint.
Mayugo, if you feel like fainting. Faint kidogo where?
Don't faint, you are going to me.
You want to faint?
My wife.
Don't faint.
Angalia venye nimetoka nikiwa msafi.
Yes.
The good thing when you faint, you must do
Okay, Mayugno. Bye. So guys, that was Mayugno. He wanted to faint, but he says the wife nowadays is very harsh. He tells him not to faint because the clothes are being dirty. So I just want to show you what is happening here, how the house looks as we go to the roof to see our project. Guys, we are here now. We are preparing the sealant for the rooftop, just to seal the places where the water is seeping through. So we have adhesive here. We had the Sika liquid, this one, 107 compound. And then we poured it into the bucket. It's 5 liter. And then we have 20 kgs of Sika adhesive cement. So you mix, you just pour slowly as you mix, slowly until you get the consistency. Slowly, slowly, slowly. So we mix it slowly as we continue until we get the consistency that is applicable. It depends on the kind of equipment you are using to apply. So in our case, we are going to use a brush. So we'll just use the brush to apply. So as we continue, we just stir it slowly, just to make sure that the consistency is enough for the brush to hold. So we continue adding in the sika. Together. So as I told you, we decided to use sika top seal. It is called sika top seal. It is used for waterproofing the rooftops, or even when you want to do your bathroom, guys, especially when you're building and you've done the bathroom floor, and before you do your tiling in your bathrooms, you have to waterproof the wall, the floors, and the wall, because even if you do the tile and do the grout, sometimes the grout gets cracks and water can easily penetrate through the grout. So if you don't insulate your bathrooms and you just do the tiling, there's that small amount of water that penetrates through. So you'll always be seeing the room below where the bathroom is always has some molds and moisture. So we recommend that before you tile your bathroom, you have to waterproof all the walls. You waterproof the walls and the floors. So for that, you can still use Sika, the same product. Okay, you can use Sika, the same product, to waterproof your flooring for the bathroom. So it is used for the rooftops. You can waterproof your bathroom, you can waterproof your balcony. So basically, it is any place that is going to get water, either outdoor or indoor, wet areas that you need to waterproof. You can use this Sika. So Sika is what we are using today, and we are going to show you how we are going to use it. We'll show you how to apply. So this is our surface. As I showed you before, this place is the notorious place where there's a lot of water seeping through. The other places is just moisture. You can see the moisture from the roof. There's some molds coming in, so it means the roof is not leaking very much in those areas. But this area is notorious because we could even see some drops of water from the roof. So what we do is first of all, you have to wet your place. You have to wet the floor to saturation by pouring water. So you just wet it. Concrete takes in a lot of water, especially now that it's sunny. So we'll keep on wetting as we continue. So this is what we're doing here. Guys, I'm just teaching you how to, maybe you have a balcony that has a problem, it is giving you problems, it's leaking. If you want to know your roof is leaking, whether it's a bathroom, balcony, or a rooftop, just go beneath your roof, look above, look at your ceiling, and if your ceiling is concrete, you will see some molds. Normally it's some white molds because of the cement we use and stuff. So it starts developing some white molds. That is a fungal infection. That fungal infection, it weakens the strength of cement, and then you'll start seeing that the cement will start falling off. You'll also find that in mostly if you build your house in wet areas, if the foundation of your house is very wet, when you look at between the floor and the wall, on the floor, between the floor and the wall, most likely you'll start seeing your wall, you've already done the painting, and then it starts peeling off, and it creates some molds, some white stuff molds, and when you rub it with your finger, even the cement itself falls down. So the fungal infection really, it weakens the bond between the cement and the mortar, so it becomes weak. Once it becomes weak, the house starts peeling off. So those areas need also to be treated with the fungal infection. There's a fungicide for application for such areas on the wall. But this time now we are talking about water, especially rainwater or bathroom water if it's a bathroom that is leaking. So this is how we do it. We already have our consistency, as you can see. It is very nice. Consistency is ready, very ready for application. So we will take our brush and just apply it slowly, just the way you do your painting. So that's what we are going to do here. So guys, today we are teaching you how to waterproof your ceiling, how to waterproof your bathrooms, and how to waterproof any rooftop that you have that has a problem, is leaking. And as I've told you, if you want to know your rooftop is bringing in moisture or some water, just go beneath the rooftop, look at the ceiling. Most ceilings are painted white. If you see your ceiling has started developing some white stuff, looks like cotton, and it's white, and it's white or like flour, and when you touch it, it falls. Now that means that your wall has been infected by moisture and you need to treat it. So this is what we are going to do here. Let me show you how to do it. You need to do the strokes. You need to do, guys, when you're applying this, you need to do the strokes horizontally. Horizontal strokes like that. You make sure it gets in it seals all the holes, and also above the wall slightly. So you just apply like that. So make the strokes horizontal like this. Make sure it gets in the floor, it seals all the holes horizontal. It's a process, it will take some time, but just apply horizontal like that. Make sure you seal all the holes like that. Go like that as we go. And then guys, after you have done the horizontal application, all the areas that you need, then you leave it to settle and dry. That is the first coat. Then you wait for it to dry. After it has dried, then you do another coat vertically. So you have to apply 2 coats. 1 coat horizontally, then the second coat we will do it vertically. So once you do that, 2 coats are enough. 2 coats are enough to seal that place. Then that is enough for sealing the roof. It has some bonding effect. It also has it is flexible, so that means it will go down into the hole and seal. And then after you do that, now you're sure that water will not penetrate through. But as I told you yesterday, as you do that, after you finish, you're supposed to protect the sealant with another top covering. So that's why we said after we waterproof the ceiling, then we need to use either the rooftop tiles. We have special tiles for the rooftop. You can come and tile your rooftop. You can also come and do your bituminous membrane, or the DPM, that's the damp-proof membrane. And then you can also do terrazzo. And there are several things you can use to protect the sealant. Once the sealant is there and it's protected, then you're sure that your roof will never penetrate water. But when you leave it like this, when the rains come and the sun shines, the rain comes, the sun shines, it tends to crack. Then after cracking, the water will still find some way to go through. So in this case, I think that's what happened, because the roof had been waterproofed before. but I think it took time before they protected the waterproofing. So as I told you before, we have a party going on here at Marwa. So we are going to just do this for these areas that are notorious in leaking. And then once the party is over, we will come back on this roof and make sure that we waterproof the whole roof and protect it. So we'll also show you the process, guys. Just stay here, watch this channel, don't go away, continue watching our channel. As we said before, our channel is very educative, matters construction, real estate, interior design, anything to do with buildings, guys. We are going to teach you how to do it. So this is a process you can do it on your own. You don't need to get an expert. You just go to the shop, ask for Sika. This is Sika Top Seal 107. So Sika Top Seal 107, according to the manufacturer, they say it can cover up to 10 square meters. It can cover up to 10 square meters. We have different products for Sika. We have another product that is so superior to this one, but we decided not to use that because it's too expensive, and we're just doing a temporal stuff that we are going to repeat again. So we decided to use this one, and then now when we start doing the final sealing of the final waterproofing of the whole roof, we are going to use the best product in the market. So guys, but even this Sika is still good. It is equally good. It can last you for as long as your building doesn't get any destruction. The Sika product is good. So apart from that, I'm going to show you another product. It is also a product of Sika. Now this one is what you use for. We have this product here, guys. Let me just get in here. I have this product here. It is called Sika powdered waterproofing hard mixture for mortar 1 kg. So this product is what you are supposed to use when you are doing your mortar on the slab. And I understand that when you are doing a slab, you use after the slab has been done, you come and use this one to do the flooring on the slab. So you need one bag of Sika powdered mixture waterproofing. It has all the details over here. So this one bag, the ratio is 1 kg goes with 1 bag of cement and 2 or 3 wheelbarrows of sand. Here in Africa, we measure with wheelbarrows, guys. So I don't know in Europe we measure with what. So here we measure with wheelbarrows. So 1 kg will go with 1 bag of cement, and then with 2.5 wheelbarrow or 3 wheelbarrows of sand. So once you do that, you prepare the mortar and you do your floor. Once you do your floor with this one, you can be sure that the floor is already protected. But after you do that using this one, then you have to come and apply now what we are already doing here at the roof. So that is the procedure. That is just the first procedure that you're supposed to use. Once you use that small one, you mix with water. You mix with 1 bag of cement, 1 kg of Sika, with 2.5 wheelbarrows of sand. You mix them together. You do your flooring. You make sure that your floor is very smooth. You finish in steel. You do a trowel. Then after doing the wooden trowel, floating trowel, then you finish with the steel floating steel, just to make it very smooth. And then after that, you wait for it to dry. Once the floor is cured completely, then you can come now and apply what we are doing here. You can apply this Sika 107. Then once you apply Sika 107, Now the next step is to protect your Sika 107 using bituminous membrane, which we call it's a bituminous membrane, is a damp-proof coarse membrane. That is the one I told you that it is used. You have to burn it, it melts, then you stick it on the roof. So if you don't want to do that, you can use terrazzo. After you do this, after you finish this process, you can do terrazzo on top, or you can just tile your roof. Once you tile your roof with this one, just use the roof tiles. At least you have to make the tiles to be non-slip tiles. We have special tiles for the roof. We also have some. We also have brick tiles that are natural brick tiles, kiln baked for the roof. You can also use that just for your roofing. But once you do this and you do your kiln bricks or do your rooftop tiles that are specially made for outdoor and they're non-slip, then you're sure that your roof is safe. Even if it rains, even if you put water there, whatever you do, the roof will be safe. So guys, today we are here just trying to, we are doing what we call, this is a first aid. As I told you, this is a first aid because the roof is leaking and it's a rainy season and we don't want our gypsum ceiling to get spoiled down there. We just finished doing a beautiful gypsum ceiling. So we have identified the parts that are leaking and that's what we are doing right now. And then we are going to, once we do that, we will wait. And then we will wait until the party is over, then we'll come back and now protect our rooftop and make it very nice. And maybe we'll do a helipad somewhere here. Marwa said he wants to land here with a chopper one of these fine days. So we'll put a big hedge here so that when you're flying up you can see. So guys, this is what we are doing. We have some guys here. We'll be fitting CCTV for the building, so we just realized that there was no enough cabling paths for the CCTV. So you can see the guys are creating some paths here on the rooftop so that the CCTV cabling can pass. The CCTV have they are arriving today. Actually, one of IMR's fans donated the CCTV and I'm told they are arriving today. We want to thank you very much. If you are watching this video, thank you very much. God bless you. Continue supporting IMR. So we are going to fit this place with CCTV. Guys, I want to show you something. Maybe in this video I'll show you. We've been dealing a lot with lighting. And if you have seen IMR building at night, it's glittering like an airport. So this is a snake light. You can see this is a snake light. It is running the whole house. We did this just a few days ago. It is running the whole of this house. Maybe I'll show you. I'll take a photo at night and I'll show you how the house is glittering. You can see this house from a very far distance. So that is part of our work that we did here after we finished doing the chandeliers in the house. So we fixed this rope light here. We call it a rope light or a snake light. And it is highlighting this house very well at night. It illuminates the house very, very, very well. The house looks very beautiful with glass and with the ambience lighting inside. Then we have a strip of a light on top of the building. I'll show you that in maybe I'll put it in my short video. You can go to my channel and you'll see a short video of that. I'll do it. I have to do that at night because I'm sure this video will be uploaded before the night. So guys, we are still continuing to do our waterproofing and it's coming out very well, as you can see. It's coming out very well. It is sealing very well. This thing, once it dries, even if you pour water there, it will not go anywhere. It has a bonding effect. It has a plastic effect, bonding effect, so it bonds very well with the concrete. So guys, continue watching this video. We are going to show you this process until we finish. The whole idea here is go to your manufacturer, go to your engineers, go to your construction experts, ask them the best product in the market. So the idea here is, if you have a flat rooftop, please make sure you protect your roof by waterproofing it. If you're building a house and you have bathrooms, you have wet areas, places that you will do your jacuzzis, and most likely they are on the top floor, please make sure you protect the floor by using a waterproofing solution. And we recommend that you waterproof both the floor and the walls, because when you are showering in the shower, there's so much water that spills on the wall. And nowadays we have waterproof grout, but we don't rely 100% on the grouting, because sometimes when you're applying the grout, there will be some small pockets of air that will remain. So those small pockets of air that remains, water will seep through and go to the wall and start weakening your wall. Water is very dangerous to cement and the walls. Once water gets into the cement, it stays there, it will start creating fungal. Once the wall has a fungal infection, the wall will be weak and then it will start falling off. A good example is if you have built your house in a wet area and there's some moisture coming from the ground, go and look along just above the skirting. In most houses I've seen, like in Kenya, 80% of the houses, they have those moldings. So you look at above the skirting, you'll see the paint is peeling off, and then it's a very some powdery white stuff. Those are fungal infection. It's because of the moisture. So that moisture, it affects your wall. When you rub the wall with your finger, you can see the cement falling off very easily. So that shows you how strong that fungal is. It weakens the cement. So you can imagine if the fungal is all over your roof and your roof is weakening, one day it will just fall down. So please make sure that you waterproof your areas, all your wet areas. Make sure you waterproof them. For the bathrooms, as I said, we recommend you waterproof the floor, you waterproof all the walls. Once you've done that, then you can do your tiling. Then after tiling, we recommend that you also ask for waterproof grout. We have waterproof grout in the market currently, so please just don't buy any ordinary grouting for the tiling. Make sure you use waterproof tile. Another thing I would like to recommend is when you are doing tiling for the bathrooms, avoid using zero joints. I know people like zero joints very much, but it's not a good idea for the bathroom. You can do zero joint on the floor in the room, but for the bathrooms we recommend that you use at least minimum of 2 millimeter spacers, so that the space that remains you can fill in the grout, waterproof grout, so that it seals completely. But when you do zero joint tiling in your bathroom, the floors and the wall, there's a high possibility that when you come to do your grouting, it will not penetrate. So you'll have air pockets where water will come and rest, and then the water will start affecting your wall. So guys, today we have educated you on how to do waterproofing, and my video today is very much of educative. It's a class. So guys, I think if you've been in this class, you've learned how to waterproof your space. Make sure when you're doing your tiling in the bathroom, use a 2 millimeter spacer, minimum 2 millimeter spacer. Then after doing the 2 millimeter spacers between your tiles, you can use the waterproofing grout. That will help your bathroom not to leak the waters, and also protect your walls. So continue watching this video. We have a lot to show you. I'll show you once we are done waterproofing that area, and then we will continue showing you more. So in the meantime, the party mood just kicked in. This is Maro's compound. That's how it looks. That's the tent over there. I'm on the rooftop. You can see. So so many people in the compound. Today was the official opening day for the party. So there are visitors coming in. They've started coming in. We've received messages that some people have already landed from abroad. They are coming, and this is how the compound looks. The tent is there. Guys are just chilling all over, and there's still also a behavior of activity still continuing. As much as the party is there, guys are still working. Guys are still working just to make sure that everything falls in place. So this is the DJ booth, actually the entertainment booth. We have One Drop Entertainment that are doing the sound for the party. So this is how the compound looks, and this is how the other side looks, guys. I like the glass on the balcony. It's clear, it's frameless, neat, and very, very, very clean. So this is what is happening here. We have so many YouTubers around here. Everyone you see in this compound, at least 99% is a YouTuber. Even the Masons, they all have YouTube channels. So this is how powerful I Am Marwa is, inspiring people, inspiring young people, mentoring them, teaching them how to do YouTube and earn an extra income. So guys, continue watching this video. I'm going to come back and show you once we finish waterproofing this place. And if you need to reach us, guys, please. Our company is called In Concept Interior Studio. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. And if you want to reach us, our number is +254 723 773898. That's our WhatsApp number. Contact us. You can also contact us if you need any consultancy. We can consult you even on phone. You can ask your questions, we can answer you. Our consultancy on WhatsApp is free of charge. We'll only charge you if you ask us to come to your site, because we will have to facilitate our travel. But if you just need to consult us, please WhatsApp us. Ask any questions that you have. We are going to give you free consultation. So guys, we are here for you. Thank you very much. We know you are supporters. We know you watch our videos. That's why we are offering free consultation on WhatsApp. And please just feel free to call and consult anything about construction, interior design, furnishing, color scheming, how to choose colors, how to blend the colors of your house, also how to paint. I'll be doing a video specifically for paintwork, from start to finish. I think for the paintwork we need to start from the plaster. Paintwork starts, the wall finishing starts from the plaster. The moment you do your plaster, how you finish your plaster, how you do the skimming, the product you will use, the paint, till to the end. Also how to do your color scheme. So please feel free to contact us. We are going to give you free consultation on WhatsApp. Please make sure you do WhatsApp. We prefer WhatsApp, it's better. And if you want us to come to your site, also contact us, give your details. We are going to tell you how we can come and how we can advise you, how we can help you. Thank you guys for watching. Continue watching this video to the end. As I said, I'm going to show you once our product is finished, once we have finished doing this. So we are still continuing. We are still applying the seeker. Remember, we are just using a normal brush. It's big. It's around 6 inches brush, paint brush. That's what we are using. So guys, thank you very much. Continue watching the video to the end. So guys, as we said before, we were just identified a few areas on the roof that had serious problem with the leakage. That's what we've been repairing today. This problem, we had cracks. These are cracks, guys. These cracks were on the roof, on the side of the bedroom. Then we had along the living room where we have done our gypsum ceiling along that wall. I think I'll show you on the. I've shown you on the video before where the gypsum was also leaking. Not the gypsum, but the wall was leaking. So this is this area where we have done this. It's on the outer wall. Our gypsum is touching this wall, so we had to treat that area to protect the ceiling. So thank you very much for watching the video. This was just a temporary solution. So guys, we have been working on the roof today. As I said, we are just doing some small area because of the leakage. We had an area that was really leaking a lot of water from the roof. I think there was either a joint expansion or something, but the rest of the roof is just moisture that is seeping through slowly. So that one we can work on it in the next 3 weeks. So I wanted to show you this area here. You can see there's some brown patches in the wall. Brown patches in the wall. That is an effect of water. It's an effect of water in this line here. So whenever it rains very heavily, there is some water dropping. It was dropping from here. So that's what we have done today up there. If you've been watching this video, you have seen we have done some sealing along this line. So we decided to seal along this line so that we can protect that water from coming through. But the rest of the roof, we are planning to do the overhaul, just to do complete roof sealing, waterproofing the whole ceiling. So we just decided to do this area because it was very bad, and we had already done our gypsum ceiling here. So there was water coming through here. If you can see, there was some patches in the wall. That is an effect of water. Now that you have done the ceiling up there, it is going to dry. Then after it dries, you are going to repaint the wall, which is going to correct that problem. So we'll be doing the overhaul rooftop, guys, after the party, which is I think after 1 month. So we're going to do that overhaul ceiling rooftop thing. So that is the area we have worked for. The rest of the ceiling is just not very, it was not that serious, but due to long term, I think it could bring some problems. So we still have to do the waterproofing of the ceiling. So guys, that area we have already worked on it. I'll show you in my video. So we are going to work on the rest of the roof, complete. Once we finish the party, we're just going to do everything to make sure that the whole roof is secure. But right now, I think that area where there was a lot of water has been sorted out. Once that dries, we are going to. There has been no water that is seeping through, so we had to do that. And another line in Marwa's room where there was also some water coming through, but it was not that very serious. So generally, because of the rainy season, we could notice the moisture on the ceiling making some molds. So that is an indication that there's water seeping through the slab slowly. But that area that I've shown you was very bad because you could see the drops of water coming through. But right now we have sealed that place. I'm going to show you in this video. I think you have seen it. You have seen it, what you have done there. So just to show you out here what is happening here. We have already, the glasses are in place, everything is in place. The party has started. So guys, please keep watching our videos. We are going to continue showing you, and even after the party, guys, we are going to bring you very interesting videos about this Villa Medellin. Another place I wanted to show you was this place here. It has already been painted. It was not painted out here. As you know, this is the main entrance for the villa, because as Marwa said, the villa will have a swimming pool all around the house. So this side it looks like the back, but now this is the front of the house. I cannot see it properly because I'm standing at an angle. So guys, keep watching our videos. Today we've received visitors from USA. They've come, they're here, and if you watch the videos you're going to see them. So guys, I just want to let you know that I'm very grateful for your support, for watching my videos, for supporting me, and even for the comments. I'm very grateful. Some people have commented and also put in some advice on how you can sort the roof, and I thank you very much for your advice. Thank you very much for every comment that you have commented, and please watch our videos. That is the only way you can support us. Then don't forget to like the video. Also put on the notification button so that every time we upload a new video, guys, you can be notified. Thank you very much, guys. Continue watching our videos at In Concept Interiors.